Hey, good morning, class. So I hope you had fun with last week's Fortnite activity. So today, this week, we're going to be doing a DIY, otherwise known as the do-it-yourself activity. So in these activities, I'm sure you figured out last week, but we're trying to figure out how to use household items. I have paper plates here, just a bunch of bottles, and how to make these into equipment so that we can do sports activities with them. So for this week, you're probably wondering, what am I going to do with these plates? Well, with these plates, we're going to turn them into Frisbees. Yes. And with these Frisbees, we're going to be doing target practice with any object that we could find. And I'll even show you how to make a target out of toilet paper rolls. Or if you have a paper towel roll, that works too. I don't have one, but if you have one, that's going to work really well. And it's going to be the same setup as this, which we'll get into in a bit. So before we start, we have to make some Frisbees, right? I already have some Frisbees made, but I want to show you how to make them. So what we're going to use is paper plates. Try not to use your foam plates because they're a little too light, so they're not going to have a good flight. They're not going to go anywhere that you want them to. With paper plates, they weigh a bit more, and they'll be able to go through the air a bit better. So you can use any size. I have two sizes here, small blue plates, larger blue plates. So what we're going to do, we'll get one plate at a time. I'll make 4. I want you to make 10, okay? I want you to make 10 plates. I already have 6 here, so I'll make 4 with you, and I want you to make the other 6. Okay, just so that way it's not a 10-minute video of me just cutting plates, that'd be boring, right? So, alright, so what we're going to do, the first thing that we're going to do is, on every plate, there's a lower ridge here that you can see. We're going to trace it with the Sharpie. And when we trace it, that's going to help us know where we're going to cut the Frisbee. Because it's a lot easier if you have a black line than just kind of cutting it with just using your eyes and just everything's blue, so it's not going to be very helpful. So now you can see where I'm going to cut. So now I just get my scissors. Make a little cut, so that way it's easier to start. Now I put my scissors through, and I just go all the way through. And we're going to be doing 4 of these. And with those 4, we're going to be able to have a good 10 rows, because I already have 6, so 6 plus 4, that's 10. We're going to be able to get some good target practice in today and work on our Frisbee throwing. So that way, when this whole lockdown and city shutdown is over, that way you already have an idea of how to use a Frisbee, so that's 1. You'll have an idea of how to use a Frisbee, and once you can go to the park, you'll be able to use a real Frisbee, and then everyone's going to be like, oh my god, why are you so good using the Frisbees? And then you're going to be like, well, I practiced over the summer. So now I'm working on the second one. Always remember to trace before you cut. Otherwise, it's going to be a little harder to make it even. We want to make it even, otherwise the plate's going to be flying all over the place. So, here we go. Nice and easy. And take your time with these. You want to take your time with these so that way they come out as nice as possible. Because you don't want to make big cuts and then it ruins the pattern of your Frisbee, So here we go. It's coming along nice. Oh, made a little tear, but that's okay. There we go. Almost done. And then once we start throwing the Frisbees, we're going to see how many I'm going to see how many targets I can get. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to challenge you, that's 2. I'm going to challenge you and see if you can hit more targets than I do. So that way, next week, when we meet up, I want you all to tell me how many targets you got. Because I want to see if anyone got more targets than me. If not, that's okay. It's not a big deal. Again, we're just practicing. So that way, when we start using the Frisbee again, we'll be a lot better at it. And that way we're practicing at home and having more fun with our siblings or our parents. Parents, if you want to throw the Frisbees, there's nothing wrong with that. I think it's super fun. Here we go. Ooh, look at me, I'm doing this one super fast. I'm getting used to it now. After doing a couple, you're gonna become the master of making these. That's 3, so 1 more, and then we'll move on to the targets. Well, actually, I'm gonna show you how to make a target, and then we'll move on to the throwing. Here we go. Again, circle. Not the best circle, but I still know where to cut, right? So that's what matters. Here we go. So this is gonna be the last one, and we're gonna have 10. Here we go, let's see how fast I can cut this one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, easy. Okay, great. So now I have 10 Frisbees, yes, and I have 1 small Frisbee that I made earlier. So I have some leftover plates, that's okay. I can use these to eat later. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to make a target. If you have any leftover toilet paper rolls, don't go and take these from the toilet paper that's in the bathroom right now because we don't want to make a mess. If you have any leftover or if the roll's empty, now you can use it, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to use this, and I forgot my tape. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Got it. So we're going to be using tape for this. So we need a paper plate as a base, our toilet paper roll, and tape. So you're going to tape half of the tape onto the toilet paper roll. Look how it's dangling here, right? You're going to lift this, place the toilet paper roll on the center, and the second half of the tape is going to go right on there. Now look, see, it's stuck on there. But it's not anchored on there good, because now if I hit it with the Frisbee, it's still going to be knocked over. So we need to get it on all 4 sides. All 4 sides. So same thing. Half of it on the roll, half of it on there. Look at that. Now it's not going to fall over. But 4 is bigger than 2. So we want to anchor 4 points on here to make sure that it doesn't fall over. So I'm down to 3. I've done 3, so I'm down to 1 more. Same thing. Stick. And then go around, make sure that the tape is contacting the entire roll, and boom! I have a target, right? If you don't have a lot of these, that's okay. That's why I brought these as an example. You can use any leftover water bottles. I have some, what is this? A fragrance bottle. It smells really nice. I have some Lysol. I have another bottle. So I'm mainly using bottles. If you have anything that's around this shape that can stand up by itself, it's going to be a target. So now, let's go to our course, which I'm going to make right here. So you just grab 5. I want you to have 5 targets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll save that one for later. Okay. So now all you're going to need is an empty room. This whole room is empty, so this is what I'm going to use. Great. So I want you to use 10 Frisbees, okay? 10 Frisbees. So I have 10 big ones, 1 small one, so I'm going to take out 1, okay? So here we go. Let's set up our targets. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Now I was going to have trouble. That's okay. 6. So we're making a W. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how we're going to set up our targets. Alright, there's no time limit. What I want you to do is I want you to throw your 10 Frisbees, practicing how to throw your Frisbee, and I want to see how many targets you can hit. With these, because they are lighter, it's a little difficult. So to throw it, I suggest just using your fingers. Use your thumb and your index finger, grip the edge, and flick. When you flick it, it's gonna spin it, so it's gonna look like this. See? I missed, that's okay. I just wanted to show you how to throw it. So let's try that again. Ooh, that was close. Ooh! I'm gonna aim for a bigger one. I'm gonna aim for the one that we made. Yes! I got one. Good. Alright, so now you gotta get more than one. Here we go. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Ooh, it's gonna be easy for all of you because I'm missing all of these. Oh! That's okay. Now this is so fun. Yeah! Darn, I only made 1 out of 10. That's okay though, I'm trying to work on my Frisbee throwing, right? So you can play this as many times as you want. I just want you to practice your throwing of your Frisbee. Remember to flick your wrist. Use just your fingers for these because these are lighter. And I hope you have fun playing this at home. I want to see what you all use as your targets. I want to see how your Frisbees come out. Remember, you can draw on these Frisbees, make them your own. This is your PE equipment. This is your classroom now. So you can have as much fun with this as you want. Alright, so I'll see you next week for next week's activity. And I hope you have lots of fun with our Frisbees.